You've got rooms to flip, laundry to move, and guests to check in. Bigger things to worry about than eliminating foul odors. Kontrol Odor Beads eliminates malodors quietly in the background, so you don't have to. Kontrol Odor Beads can be placed in any area effortlessly, providing long-lasting freshness without the need for sprays or plugs. They release an air freshening scent for 30 days, providing continual fragrance. Kontrol Odor Beads will also eliminate odors themselves due to State's powerful odor eliminating technology. Each bucket comes with a bead bin and nylon mesh bead bags, and you've got a range of fresh, inviting scents to choose from. They're also easy to use and hide. Just toss one of these small but powerful bags wherever you need it. Or easily mount the bead bin on doors, garbage cans, lids, or air vents. Place in vacuum cleaners, cars, trucks, buses, patient rooms, offices, or anywhere you need them. If you're ready to keep odors away, visit www.stateindustrial.com to find Kontrol Odor Beads, or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.